Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm obsessed with this product. And I remember a video I did a while back, and somebody suggested I use the interactive fill tool, and we're gonna go like that, and you could change it and make it lighter and darker. But you could also, we've got red up top, so let's put a yellow in the top. We've got blue down there, so let's put a red down here, and we're basically blending it. And you can change this scenario back and forth. You can change the rotation of it, make it look really cool. That might be not bad. And then do the same thing we did before and put it back in the page, and you've got a different look. And if you haven't been following along, this is for a sticker, and it does kind of blend in right there with the red F. So maybe backing up and get our tool back and maybe come straight like that, and maybe give a little bit more yellow, then be done. And that's what's so good about it. Then to just put it to the back of the page, and you've got a totally different look. You've got like a rainbow color around the colors. Anyway, I promise this is the last one of this session. Thank you for watching.